Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make tomato fried eggs. In Chinese, 番茄炒蛋 or 西红柿炒蛋. It's a very popular dish and extremely easy to make. First, wash a few tomatoes and cut them into big chunks and set aside. I'm using a few Roma tomatoes picked right from our backyard garden. In a bowl, beat up 4 or 5 eggs with salt. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil right before it smokes in a frying pot. Pour in the mixed eggs. Stir gently for a minute before dishing out. Now, put back the frying pan with the residual oil still in. Dump the tomato chunks in. Add salt, garlic powder, and black pepper to taste, and quickly stir for a minute. Add the eggs back in, followed by soy sauce and sugar. Mix them well together. Add 1.5 cups of water, cover the pot, and cook for 5 minutes over medium-high heat. Very occasionally, stir a little so nothing will stick to the pot bottom. When time's up, take out and serve with rice. Please let me know how you like this recipe. Thanks for watching Look Cookbook. See you next time.